The AIO we are putting on here is the Thermal Right Elite Vision 360. Let's start by getting some thermal paste. Okay, there we go. We're going to go ahead and get this pump head onto our CPU. Now we have the pump header installed. We can go ahead and put the radiator on the top and then plug all these connections in. Okay, there we go. The radiator is installed. Okay, so we've got everything plugged in and done a little bit of cable management in the back. Okay, now everything is plugged in on the front side. Cables are managed, so we can go ahead and stick our GPU in. For the GPU of this build, we have the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Solid OC. So this is going to be a really chunky 3.5 slot card. Nice vapor chamber, it's going to keep it super cool and quiet. At the size of this thing, it is absolutely massive. Big, chunky boy. It's hefty too. So let's get him in. There we have it. The big boy is in. Okay, so let's peel off the plastic here. And there we have it, our completed build. It's time for the first boot up. Oh.